So I found the first chapter to be interesting as it highlighted numerous aspects of factions, identity, and the importance of framing, especially focusing on the importance of ethnic identity as a stalwart conceptual framework. Ethnic groups, in order to gain a stronger foothold and ensure their interests were met, generally form interest groups in attempts to affect U.S. foreign policy and aid their kin, both within their ethnic state, countries of origin, and within the United States. At this point, framing becomes incredibly relevant in the discussion and its ultimate effect on U.S. foreign policy, leading to ethnic interest groups becoming the primary contributor to foreign policy. The benefits of framing allow the argument to be shifted under the terms of the interest groups themselves, shape perspectives, and put the issues front and center as one of the United States' agenda. As it is impossible for staffers to invest sufficient time to research said issues themselves, this ultimately forces them to rely on an external source of information, generally information coming from the interest groups themselves, who in turn are able to put their own spin on the analysis of the pertinent information, ultimately aiding them in their attained ultimate goals. Chapter 10 really delved into the topic of Muslim Americans and their part in how impacted they've been by all the recent current events and years since the attacks of September 11th. Muslim Americans have largely been targeted by numerous policies and have been adversely affected and denied opportunities to form their own lobbyist organizations, predominantly due to the American perception and connection to Islam and terrorism, in spite of government attempts to dissociate the two from each other.